Hello everyone, my name is Avinash Shalikramji Irale from Bhandara, Maharashtra. I have completed my engineering from MIT Shahapur in a mechanical stream with 65%. I have also completed my diploma in engineering from Government Polytechnic Sakoli with 76%. And I have an experience as an assistant lecturer at Government Polytechnic Sakoli since last 3 years. I got reference of Evision through one of my friend. The Evision Technoserve Private Limited is an IT consulting direct recruitment company. Then I decided to join the Evision's online job internship program through the Evision Private Limited in October 2021. During this job internship program, I learned about various topics which are actual requirement of an IT companies, like the basic networking types, their topologies under the guidance of Vibhushis sir, virtualization under the guidance of Tarun Mishra sir, Windows administration by Rahul Das sir, Linux by Mr. Roshan sir, and cybersecurity by Manu sir. In the basis of networking and the CCNA, I learned about various topics such as networks, various types of topologies, OSI reference model, TCP/IP model, private and public addressing, ping command, IP addressing, command prompt, subnetting, routing, switching, and basic configuration, static and dynamic routing, ERP, DNS. In Windows administration, I learned about workgroup, domain, how to join a workgroup to domain FTP, remote management, Outlook, Windows troubleshooting, like a BCOD error. In Linux, I learned about various types of Linux directory command, Kali Linux in cybersecurity. In ITIL about incident problem, incident management, service level management, operational level management, chain management, notice period, all this include in this online job internship program. All the managers and staff of Evision are very supportive and they are conducting their regular lectures and weekly test. Due to this, theory as well as practical is on time, and due to this I build the lots of confidence to crack an real-time interview, and I have an confidence to I will be crack any real-time interview through that online program. And I am a person with a good positive attitude with a strong self-belief. That's why I very thankful to Evision for conducting such an online program. Thank you.